We're in part 3 now of the mock driving test by our student, who's going to show you some really good habits, really good routines that you should be expected to do in your driving test. Of course, there's going to be a few mistakes that he's going to make. If you see any, comment below, let me know the mistakes that you think you've picked up. We're now just going to show you the part 3 of the mock driving test. We're going to go straight into the maneuver now. This is exactly how the driving test is going to be formatted. You're going to see the mistakes that they make and how exactly the maneuver is going to be done under the pressure of a mock test. Sometimes under the pressure of the driving test, with the examiner sitting right next to you marking you, students do put extra pressure on themselves, do make more mistakes than usual. And in this situation, you're going to see how in the maneuver itself, you can actually make the maneuver extremely easy if you yourself pick a nice easy spot to do the maneuver in. Now under the pressure, you may pick a difficult situation and a scenario, which you're going to see in this mock driving test. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School, and as well as going to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk for the latest tips out there. Let's now get back into the video. We're going to show you how the student performs under the pressure, doing the maneuver and the rest of the driving mock test. Roundabout. And then left again straight away into this road. Just follow the shape around. Okay, well not this road, the next one turn right and then find somewhere safe to park into the bays.
Said park in the bays.
Yep.
It's safe.
Yeah, anywhere you want.
Let's go past this. Not too far. Try that again.
No, you only get one chance.
Is
You want to fix it?
Yeah.
Okay, you fix it.
Can't see from that side.
Done?
Yeah.
Turn the engine off. Let me check. Turn the engine back on, please. Okay, whenever you're ready, move out. Let's face this way, please.
Face that way. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? That way.
Okay, let's turn right at the end of the road.
Okay. Oh gosh.
Okay, great. Got lucky there. Let's go right at the roundabout, please.
Okay. Yeah, wasn't expecting her to come out of the trolley.
Okay, afterwards we'll take the second exit on the roundabout. Second exit on the roundabout. There's a roundabout. I'd like you to turn right, second exit.
Gosh. Sorry.
Find somewhere safe to stop, please.
Safety stop.
Find somewhere
Somewhere
safe
safe to
to stop.
Okay. Let's go behind that car there.
That was quite a tough situation to deal with, wasn't it? With that skip there, right in the middle of the road. Now you're on your driving test, coming back towards the test center, and you're like, "Crap, what do I do now?" So you can clearly see. I'm obviously in the video. It's a bit different to being in real life driving, but the student was a little bit further back than he should have been. He should have been a little bit more closer. Because all these little factors help out, so you need to be able to move off quickly when you get the chance to go. If you're so far back, the cars in front might think, okay, this guy's probably waiting later, or they might think, you know what, I can make it before the car in front, like you yourself. So that's why being a bit more closer, you position yourself nicely in that situation. And then of course moving off slowly. If you move off slowly, the car again in front may change his mind. So initially they gave us way, then they changed their mind because we were just a bit too slow and we stalled. But anyway, irrelevant of the fact, we did eventually handle the situation. You can see part for the final part of the driving mock test, how the driving test ends, and as well as the analysis of the mistakes. Again, credit to the student, a great driving mock test. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.